Writing is a skill. You don't need a PhD to write with expertise, but you do need to be accurate, clear, and genuinely helpful. In this lecture, we will learn how you can present yourself as knowledgeable, even if you're not a certified expert. Whether you're a blogger, freelancer, or business owner, your writing can earn trust if it reflects real understanding, good research, and confident delivery. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand what expertise looks like in Google's eyes, use clarity, sourcing, and structure to signal knowledge, avoid common mistakes that weaken perceived authority, write confidently, even if you're new to the topic. What is expertise? According to Google, expertise means you know what you're talking about, and it shows. Google looks for depth of knowledge, use of accurate facts and terminology, clear explanations, proper sourcing, logical structure. It's not about job titles. It's about content quality and clarity. How to build and show expertise. You don't need a title, just depth. Test tools yourself, explain terms simply, and back it up with real examples. That's trusted content. Let's say you're writing about budgeting apps. Even if you're not a financial planner, your content can reflect expertise by comparing multiple apps with real pros and cons, linking to official product pages or FAQs, showing how you tested features yourself, explaining terms like zero-based budgeting in plain English. That's useful. That's expert-level writing, and it's exactly what readers and Google are looking for. How to build and show expertise in your writing. Do solid research. Go beyond page 1. Use credible sources, .edu, .gov, official sites, reputable media, and top-tier publications. Explain like a teacher. Write like you're helping a smart friend understand a new idea. Break down complex points without dumbing them down. Use the right terms, industry terms, when appropriate. Show you're informed. But jargon with no explanation confuses readers. Organize logically. Start with what matters most. Use headings, short paragraphs, and clear flow. Add original thoughts or context. Don't just summarize others. Add your take, your comparison, your insight. What weakens perceived expertise? Rewriting existing content without adding value. Making factual errors, dates, names, processes. Writing vague or shallow content. Using AI without editing or fact-checking. Keyword stuffing to impress Google. Readers in Google can sense fluff. Example. Let's look at a quick example. Bad. Budgeting apps are good for saving money. There are many apps to try. Better. I compared YNAB, Mint, and Good Budget based on features, ease of use, and price. YNAB offers the most control, but has a steeper learning curve, while Mint is free and easier for beginners. Hear the difference? The second version is specific. It's tested. It's clear. That's what Google looks for and what your audience appreciates. Expertise isn't just about having credentials. It's about clarity, accuracy, and being genuinely helpful. When your content is structured, informed, and honest, you build real authority, even if no one's ever heard of you.